Hi loves, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, I'm so grateful to have you. Okay, so today's video is going to be all about Born Pretty, and if you've been following me, you know I love Born Pretty, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. First thing that I want to share with you guys is this storage container, and I actually picked this up at my local dollar store and it's really good. It's actually a bead storage container and it was only $3, but this is what I use to store all of my Born Pretty gel polishes, and I have them in my Alex drawer unit. So I just take the lid off and then I just place all my gel polishes in there, and now they can't fall over, they can't move, nothing. Okay, so the first item that I have to show you guys is this beautiful Born Pretty crystal stamping kit, and this is actually so well packaged. Are you seeing this, guys? This is super cute. Like, I'm really impressed with the packaging of this item, and it's just so unique. Like, I've never seen anything packaged like this from Born Pretty, but then again, I haven't really purchased many of their items except for their gel polishes, so it's really neat to have this tool right here. So I'm just gonna open this up, and it is super duper cute. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. So it comes with this little scraping tool, so this kind of just scrapes off the gel polish or the stamping polish off of your stamping plate, so I believe that's what that's for. And then, oh my goodness, look at how cute this is. So the top of the stamping plate is actually like the shape of a crystal, which I find really cute. It's like the shape of a diamond. It goes so well with my channel. Just saying. And then it comes with these little crystals, and I just thought that these crystals are a great idea. Like, if you don't want to put them in to your stamping plate, then into your stamping tool, then after you could just actually use those on your nail, which is kind of neat. You kind of get two for the price of one, but it looks super cute in here as well. So you just kind of throw them in there, and then it has this really nice stamper right on the bottom, which is really pretty. And then you could just see right through. You can't see through the top, but you can see through the sides because they're all clear, and go ahead and stamp your design on. I think this is really pretty, and it was a really great price, and I'll have all the prices listed for all these items in the description box below. I also just want to quickly mention that if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the family, and also go ahead and hit your bell notifications so you guys can know every single time when I upload a new video and you won't miss out on it. Also, go ahead and hit a thumbs up if you liked watching. I mean, if you didn't, you could put a thumbs down, but that's not very nice. Come on, join the team, thumbs up. Okay, so let's get right into the gel polishes. So on the left right here, we have the old packaging, and on the right we have the new packaging, which I really appreciate because they have the color right on the bottle, which is really nice. And this color right here is color 100. I'm going to give you guys the numeric number because I think that it'll be easier for you guys to locate it on the channel. On their page, so go ahead and check that out. So this one is color 100, and it's a beautiful purple. Now the next color that we have here is color 097, and this color is similar to like a corally peach color, but it's also very nudie, so it's a nice cover color, or like a base color for some like nail art or something. And it has glitter in it, which makes it very interesting. I really like that. So the glitter inside of this is like holographic glitter. It's not just like a plain glitter, and it shows up really nice like that. It looks exactly like the color on the swatch of the bottle. Okay, now the next color is 098, and it's this beautiful pink color. And again, this color has the beautiful holographic glitters inside of it. This is a whole collection, so there's a bunch of these colors, so you can just choose what's best for you. Okay, so the next color we have is 044, and this color right here doesn't have any glitter in it, but watch, you guys are gonna see. Look at the consistency of this. It is so thick and perfect. Like, one coat is amazing. I don't know if Born Pretty came out with a new formula, but this is absolutely amazing. Okay, so now this color is 050, and it is a cool gray color. It's a very light, very similar to a white color, but definitely is gray. And oh wow, this also just went on in one coat, and the consistency is so rich and thick. Now for this beautiful neon color, and it is color number 043, and it is yellow, but it looks kind of like with a green undertone, but it's definitely a yellow. But you know, it's kind of up to you. You're gonna take it whichever way you like, but it's, for me, it's definitely a yellow, and that's 043, and also one coater, guys. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. Now for this beautiful green color right here, and I love that they have the colors on the bottle. Like, I'm so impressed. Oh my goodness, like I've been waiting for that. Thank you, Born Pretty, for your upgrades, because I'm loving it. And this color is color number 036, beautiful olive. And again, another one coater. If you want to put two for reassurance, then go ahead, but one coat was just good enough for me. Now this color is 010, and this is my favorite color of them all, and it's a beautiful like tan color, and I love these colors. They're really nice staples for fall. And ooh, look at it. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love. So this is 010. It's not very similar to the color on the bottle, but that's okay. It still gives you a good idea of where it falls on the color wheel. Okay, so now for the next color, and this color is number 045, and it's a beautiful lilac color. Now this color is a little bit on the sheer side, so you will definitely have to build this up a little bit. Maybe you want to do two coats. I think would be just fine. Like one coat you can see a little bit of streaking and a little bit of inconsistencies, but definitely once you go ahead and with two coats, you should be good. And just the color is so beautiful. Okay, so the next color is 015, and this is another peachy pink color. I absolutely like these colors. They're very good for like, you know, fall and spring and summer. They're kind of like those colors that you can use all year round with nail art or anything like that. So definitely a good staple color to have. And again, this is 015. So I also received a few colors in the old packaging, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open those for a quick second. But I also want to just say a big thank you to Born Pretty for sending these products over to me. You guys all know I love Born Pretty, and I purchased so much of their products by myself, hard-earned cash. So this is actually the first time I'm receiving anything from them, but I just wanted to share it with you guys because they are so stunning. And like, okay, let's just appreciate this neon right here for 1 second. Definitely need two coats, but wow, it's impressive. And that was color FB01, and the name of it is Drunk. Like, come on guys. Okay. And now for this next color, it's a beautiful neon coral, and it kind of looks orange a little bit on camera, but it's definitely a little bit coral, but absolutely pretty. Also, I do recommend two coats on this one, but I'm not mad at it. Super stunning. Okay, so now for this color, and it's color number FG03, and the name is Summer. Like, wow. Okay, these names, I'm in love with them. And this is a beautiful green color, and again, two coats would get the job done. So definitely use two coats on that one. Now moving on to color number, this next color is FG10, and I actually have this color already, so it's actually quite nice, and I've used it in a video before, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. I'll leave that in the description box below. And look at it, it's actually such a beautiful pink, and it's a bright, like a bright neon pink color. Super stunning. And now the next color that we have is FG06. And guys, like I said, like these colors are just so beautiful. Like I'm just lost for words, and this is the most beautiful Barbie pink I've ever seen in my life, and I'm so happy to have it to my collection. In my collection, definitely a great color for a pop of pink. And now the next color that we have is FG11, and this blue is life. Oh my goodness, and the consistency of it, oh wow, I love this. Like I want them to go ahead and, you know, try to get all of their polishes in this consistency, because this one coat is just absolutely amazing for this brand and this price. Come on, you can't lose. Like you're not losing, you're absolutely a winner. Like I'm gonna go and purchase like 1,000 of these probably just after this. So you guys will probably be getting another haul video from Born Pretty real soon. Okay, so now this color is FG12, And then the next color is going to be FG05, and this is the last color that I have for you guys, and it is a beautiful neon orange color. I absolutely love this. This is going to be great for fall coming up. I know it's bright, but maybe for Halloween, definitely a beautiful color. And the last thing that I have to show you guys is this map top coat, and that's going to be everything. Love you so much. Bye guys.